Let's do question number 5. This question number 5 says a conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kiloliter? So since it is given to you diameter is equal to 3.5 meter and height is equal to 12 meter, you have to find out capacity in kiloliter. For finding the capacity, you should be knowing its volume first, then we will convert this meter cube into kiloliter. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into 3.5 divided by 2 into 3.5 divided by 2 into 12. This is 7 zeros are 7 fives are, and this is 3 fours are, and this is 2 11s are. यानी कि 11 into 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So this is 1.0 only, and this is your 3.5. 11 into 3.5 meter cube. Now एक बहुत बड़ा सा बर्तन whose length, breadth and height is going to be 1 meter. So it will hold 1 kiloliter of water. 1 kiloliter means 1000 liter of water. So this is meter cube. So your 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter into 1 kiloliter. 11 into 3.5 यानी कि 38.5 kiloliter is your answer. Now let's do question number 6. It says that volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, diameter is given to you. You have to find out the slant height. You have to find out the height of the cone. You have to find out the slant height of the cone, and you have to find out the curved surface area of cone. Now volume is given to you 9856 centimeter cube. Diameter is equal to 28. You need to find height, slant height and curved surface area. So diameter is 28, so your radius is going to be 14 centimeter. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, यानी कि 9856 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7 into 14 into h, because h is not given to you. 7 2s are. So your height is, let's do the cross multiplication first. 9856 into 3 divide by 22 into 2 into 14. Now this is 2 4s are, 2 9s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. Again by 2 11s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are. Now let's check whether it is going to divide by 11 or not. 4 and 4 8, and 8 6 plus 2 8. The digits at the odd places and the even places, the difference is given to you 0 only. So it will be divided by 11 only. This is 11 2s are, now 26 11 2s are and 11 4s are, and this is your 14 1s are 14 and 14 6s are. So 16 3s are 48. So your height is equal to 48 centimeter. Now you have to find out your slant height. So your slant height is also going to be h square plus r square. That means 48 ka square, and r was given to you 14 ka square. So when you are going to do calculation, now 48 ka square is equal to 2304 plus 196. That means 2500, and root 2500 is equal to 50. So your slant height is going to be 50 centimeter. अब वो कह रहा है कि that you have to find out the curved surface area also. So curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r l. 22 by 7, r was given to you 14 and l is given to you 50. So this is equal to 52 is 100. This is 2200 centimeter square is your curved surface area of the cone. Let's do question number 7. This 7 says that a right triangle ABC with side 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. A right triangle, since it is given to a right triangle, so a right triangle, the largest side is going to be a hypotenuse is equal to 13 centimeter. Since it is going to revolve about 12 centimeter, so I'll be taking 12 centimeter here and your 5 centimeter here. Now when you are going to take this triangle on one, when you will cut this triangle and you will paste it on a stick, and when you are going to revolve it about the side this 12 centimeter, you are going to take this pencil or any stick here and you revolve it. You will see that you are getting this shape here. It will be like a cone, like this. So your radius is going to be 12 centimeter, your height is going to be 12 centimeter, and your slant height is going to be 13 centimeter. The question says that you have to find out the volume. So radius is equal to 5 centimeter, your height is equal to 12 centimeter. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, यानी कि 1 by 3 pi as it is, and r is equal to 5 into 5 and height is equal to 12. So this is 3 fours. So 25, 5 5 so 25 into 4, this is your 100 pi centimeter cube is your answer. Let's do question number 8. This says if the triangle ABC in the question number 7 above is revolved about the side 5 centimeter, then find the volume of the solid so obtained. Also find the ratio of the volume of the two solids obtained in question number 7 and question number 8. So this was your solution number 7 and this is your solution number 8. Now you have to revolve this triangle about the side 5 centimeter. So this is your 5 centimeter. 13 is always the greater side because it is the hypotenuse. So this is your 12 centimeter. So when you are going to revolve it, you will getting a conical shape only. This is your conical shape. Now your radius is going to be 12 centimeter and your height is equal to 5 centimeter, and you have to find out the volume again by the formula 1 by 3 pi r is equal to 12 into 12 and height is equal to 5. This is 3 fours. So this is 12 5 60 into 4, यानी कि 240 pi centimeter cube. Now the ratio is equal to the first one and the second one, 240 pi. Cancel, 0 से 0 cancel. This is 5 by 12. So ratio is equal to 5 by 12. Am I clear? Let's do question number 9. Its calculations are difficult one. A heap of the wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is given to 10.5 meter and the height is 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas required. Since it is in the shape of a cone whose diameter is given to you 10.5 meter and the height is given to you 3 meter, you have to find out its volume first of all. So your diameter is equal to 10.5 meter, यानी कि your radius is given to 10.5 divided by 2 and your height is given to 3 meter. So volume is going to be 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi is equal to 22 by 7. Radius is given to 10.5 divided by 2. 10.5 divided by 2 into 3. Remove this, make it 10. Remove it by 10. This is 3 से 3 cancel. This is 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are. So I would suggest you that this is 2 into 11. Don't cut this 10 and 15 because you multiply it and then divide by 2, it will be easy to put the decimals. When you are going to multiply 11 into 15 into 105, divide by 2 you and divide by 2 and then divide by 10, you will be getting this 86625 divide by 10, it will be equal to 86.625 meter cube is your volume. Now you have to find out the area of the canvas also. Now since you have to find out the area of the canvas is equal to pi r l, but l is not with you, so l you are going to find out by r square plus h square, which r is equal to 10.5 divided by 2, यानी कि 5.25. So this is 5.25 का whole square plus h square is equal to 3 का square. This is 5.25. When you are going to find out the square of this, you will be getting this 27.5625 plus 9, which is equal to 36.5625. So since nothing is given to you, so you have to find out the square root of this 36.5625. Make a pair. This is your from the right hand side, this is from your left hand side. This is 6 6 the 36, 0, 56 will come. 6 plus 6 is 12. It will not go. So this is equal to 0.0 and this is your 56 and 25. So this is 62s are 120 and it will go by approximately 4. This is 4. This is 4 4s are 16 and 12 4s are 48. ठीक है? And this is equal to your, when you are going to subtract it, it is up to 2 decimal places. So this is your pi is equal to 22 by 7. R is given to you 5.25 and L is given to you approximately 6.04. This is 5 zeros, 7 zeros, 7 sevens, 7 fives. When you are going to solve it, you will get the approximately value that is equal to 99.825 meter square. Approximately you are going to get it. You will be doing the multiplication your own.